there, welcome back to Storybook Crochet. In today's crochet stitch tutorial, I am going to show you how to make the angled crochet stitch. So for this pattern, it is great, lightweight pattern. It is perfect for cardigans and skirts that need to move easily. I am actually making a scarf out of this. The yarn I'm using today is Lion Brand Yarns Mandala Ombre, and the color is Zen. I'm going to put a link down below to this yarn so that you can buy some for yourself if you like this color. So you're just going to need a hook, some scissors, and yarn of your choice. I am using a 4.5 millimeter hook, but your hook size can be determined by whatever you're making out of this stitch. So let's go ahead and grab those supplies and we'll get started. Alright, so to get started with the angled crochet stitch, we're going to start out by making a slip knot. And then we're going to chain in multiples of 3. So the easiest way for me to do this is just count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and just keep going until I have the desired length. I will add up on the screen a chart to show you the different measurements for blankets, so you can just measure as you go along to get the desired length that you're wanting for your project. Alright, so now we're going to move on to row number 1. So to start row number 1, we're going to start in the second chain from our hook. So not in this first one, but we'll insert our hook into the next one. We're going to yarn over and pull that through. You'll have your 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through both. So we just made our first single crochet in that second chain from our hook. After you have your single crochet made, you're going to chain 3. Alright, so we have our single crochet, chain 3, and then next we're just going to simply single crochet in the next stitch. So in that very next chain, make your next single crochet. Alright, so that is our first little loop there that we've made. So the next step, we're going to skip the next chain. We're not going to work into that one at all. And then we're going to repeat what we just did. So skip the next chain and single crochet in the one after that. Okay, after you make that single crochet, you're going to chain 3. And then you're going to single crochet in the next chain. And then we're just going to repeat that process across. So skip the next chain, single crochet in the one after that, chain 3, and then single crochet in the next chain. So I will write this up on the screen for you to follow along with so that you can repeat this until you get to the very end of row number 1. Alright, so this is what row 1 should look like, and you should have ended with your last single crochet in that last chain there. So go ahead and at the end of each row you're going to just chain 1, and then you're going to turn your piece over. So for this pattern, it's super simple. You're just going to repeat row 2 after this over and over again, just that one row. So to do row 2, you're going to just work in these chain 3 spaces. So after you chain 1, into the first chain 3 space here, we're going to make a single crochet, and then we're going to chain 3, and then we're going to make another single crochet. And you'll do those 3 steps all in that 3 chain space. And then you're just going to repeat that across. So in the next 3 chain space, you're going to insert your hook and make a single crochet, chain 3, and then make a single crochet. And it's just that simple. You're just going to work across and do that in every single chain 3 space. Again, I'm going to write the instructions for row number 2 on the screen for you so you can just follow along with that as you work on this row. Okay, so I'm at the end of my row. I'm going to do my last set here of single crochet, chain 3, and then single crochet. And that is the last stitch of the round. So then I'm going to chain 1 and turn my piece over, and this is what it should look like so far. And then I'm just going to repeat row 2 over and over again. So single crochet, chain 3, single crochet all the way across. So as you can see, this is a very simple stitch to do, and it works up very quickly, so you can easily make a scarf or a blanket in no time at all. So go ahead and comment below and let me know how you liked the pattern, and don't forget that I have a new playlist I'm working on creating with different crochet stitch every single week. So you don't miss that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and that will let you know as soon as the next video is up. So as always, thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.